Hello everyone, welcome back to Ryson Spray Booth, and in this video I will be talking about 3 things that you should be avoiding in auto body and painting. So let's get the video started. So the first thing that you should be avoiding when it comes to auto body and painting is leaving your spray gun dirty. What it means is when you're done spraying the paint or using your spray gun for primers, paints, clear coats or whatever it is, once you are done with the job, you should be cleaning your spray gun. If you leave them dirty and if you think that you can clean them on the next day, then my friend, you are in trouble, because the next day that thing will harden so much that it will be a tough time to clean the spray gun. It is like your spray gun is not usable anymore, which can almost lead to buying a new spray gun. So it becomes so very important to clean your spray gun once you are done with your paint job. Especially the epoxies and the clear coats, they become so hard that it is very difficult to clean them once they are dry. So that was the first thing that you should be avoiding when it comes to auto body and painting. Moving on to the second thing that you must avoid. And the second thing that you must be avoiding is spraying the paint or clear coat in a dusty or a dirty spray booth. Guys, in my course, this is the first point that I mentioned, that your spray booth should be absolutely clean before starting the paint job. Because if you are using your spray booth as a bodywork area like how I do, like I do my sanding and everything there only, so the dust created by the sanding, dust created by the body filler and all those things, if you leave it like that and if you start to spray your paint thinking that you will get a nice finish, then I'm very sorry guys, all that dust will settle on your paint job and it will mess up your paint job a big time, leading in wastage of paint, wastage of clear coat, wastage of your money on the expensive products which you bought, and giving you a messy finish. So that was the second thing that you must be avoiding in auto body and painting. Moving on to the third thing which you should be avoiding in auto body and painting, and the third thing is you should not be having water spraying out from your spray gun. What it means is you should set up your air line in such a way that it will give you dry air and only air in your pipeline. Now there are many ways to set up a dry airline like that, but if there is water coming through your airline, then it will mix with the paint and it will create bubbles when you are spraying the paint, which will again spoil your paint job and spoil your material. Do you guys need that? I don't think so. So to avoid that, make a proper airline, use water traps and all these things I teach inside of my course. If you are interested, then you can go in the description below and get yourself enrolled and learn how to do it the right way, where you will get structured knowledge and step-by-step instructions which will stop you from making mistakes and wasting your efforts, money and your material. So hoping that this video was useful to you guys. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.